Who is Mukesh Ambani? And how did a student of chemical engineering become the richest man in Asia? Today, we embark on a journey through the life of a man whose vision transformed not just an industry, but an entire nation. Introduction. In a world where success is often measured in wealth and power, Mukesh Ambani stands as a towering figure whose journey from academia to the pinnacle of business success is nothing short of remarkable. Born into a family of modest means, Ambani's early years were marked by perseverance and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of his life, tracing the trajectory of a visionary whose impact extends far beyond the realms of commerce. Join us as we unravel the story of a man whose vision not only revolutionized an industry, but reshaped the destiny of an entire nation. Get ready to delve into the extraordinary life of Mukesh Ambani, a journey filled with determination, innovation, and unparalleled success. Early years and background. Born on April 19, 1957 in Yemen, Mukesh Ambani was not just another heir to a vigorously growing empire. He was a visionary in the making. The Ambani family's return to India and his father's founding of Reliance Industries would set the stage for Mukesh's extraordinary journey. But beyond the headlines lies the story of a young lad, fascinated not by the wealth or the glamour, but by the intricate dance of chemicals and the potential of innovation. With a BE degree in chemical engineering from Mumbai, India, and an MBA dropout from Stanford University, Mukesh was ready to embark on a journey that would redefine the Indian corporate landscape.
If you're engaging with the content, please like, share, and subscribe.
The empire of innovation under Mukesh Ambani's leadership, Reliance Industries diversified into areas far beyond its textile manufacturing origins. We dive into the empire that deals in petrochemicals, refining, oil, telecommunications, and retail, among others. With a reported revenue of over $100 billion, Reliance stands as a testament to Mukesh's vision. 1. Geo Platforms. Launched in 2016, Geo revolutionized the Indian telecom sector, offering affordable 4G services and driving India's massive digital adoption rate. Geo's growth narrative, from its disruptive entry to becoming the largest telecom operator in India, is nothing short of spectacular. Number 2. Reliance Retail. With over 12,000 stores across India, Reliance Retail is the largest retailer by revenue, transforming the Indian retail landscape. Number 3. Reliance Petrochemicals and Refining. The Jamnagar refinery, one of the largest refining hubs globally, showcases Mukesh's ambition to dominate the sectors Reliance steps into. Now let's dive into the opulent world of Mukesh Ambani, Asia's richest man, and the extravagant lifestyle that comes with his fortune. Stay tuned to be amazed as we explore his luxurious residences, exclusive cars, and the high-profile gatherings that set a new benchmark for wealth and extravagance. The architect of dreams, Antilia Mukesh Ambani's Mumbai residence, referred to as Antilia, is a modern marvel and is counted as the second most expensive property after Buckingham Palace, and is the most expensive private residential property in the world. If reports are anything to go by, the property costs a whopping $2 billion. The construction for Ambani House, Antilia, started in 2004 and continued rigorously for 7 years till 2010. However, the Ambani family moved into the Antilia only until late 2011. The 27-story home has a helipad, health club, spa, gym, outdoor gardens, a 50-seat movie theater, a 6th-floor car parking that can accommodate 168 cars at a time, jacuzzi, yoga center, a dance studio, ice cream parlor, and a mega temple. The house also has a stunning view of the Arabian Sea. It is named after a mythical island in the Atlantic Ocean, off the coast of Portugal and Spain. Stoke Park. In 2021, former Reliance Industries chairman added another stunning property to his collection when he invested $79 million in an iconic British estate, Stoke Park. It is a historic estate that sits on 120 hectares, 300 acres, of parkland and gardens in the English countryside, about 40 kilometers and 25 miles outside London. Ambani bought the estate from the King brothers, Chester, Hertford, and Whitney, who have owned the estate through their family business, International Group, since 1988. The property includes a 5-star hotel, 3 restaurants and lounges, a spa and gym, 13 tennis courts, and a 27-hole championship golf course with additional of a state-of-the-art medical facility and a temple. Stoke Park has an esteemed history that dates back more than 900 years. Hamleys. In 2019, Mukesh Ambani bought 259-year-old British toy maker Hamleys for Rs. 80 million in an all-cash deal. The company was earlier acquired by the Chinese fashion conglomerate C. Banner International for Rs. $100 million in 2015. Hamleys was founded in 1760. The company has 167 stores across 18 countries, with a presence in India as well. Reliance operates around 88 Hamleys stores across 29 Indian cities. Boeing Business Jet 2. Mukesh Ambani owns the Boeing Business Jet 2, BBJ-2, which costs a whopping $73 million, approx. It is only fair that the man who owns the world's most expensive home owns one of the world's most expensive private jets. This luxury private jet boasts a lavish 95.2 square meter interior featuring an executive lounge capable of hosting full-board meetings. Mr. Ambani's custom Boeing Business Jet 2 also boasts a fully appointed master suite with both a private bedroom and bath. Airbus A319. In 2007, on Nita Ambani's 44th birthday, her husband Mukesh Ambani gifted the $28 million Airbus plane. Airbus 319 has been custom-fitted with an office, a cabin with game consoles, music systems, satellite television, and wireless communications, including a bedroom, a bathroom with a range of showers, and a bar with mood lighting, the Falcon 900EX. Compared to the Boeing Business Jet, the Falcon 900EX jet is small, but one of the most luxurious things owned by Mukesh Ambani that he uses for business meetings or holiday trips with family, and also has its own personal chef. The private jet is integrated with music players, satellites, wireless communications, and various other super cool gadgets. It can reach a distance of 5,200 miles and has 3 cabin zones. This long-range jet can comfortably accommodate up to 12 passengers and can be expanded up to 16 passengers. The cost of this luxury is estimated at $5 million. Extravagant car fleet. Being one of the richest person in the country has its perks, and one of them is getting access to several high-end, luxurious, and expensive cars. Reportedly, there are 168 cars in the Ambani garage in Antilia. There's no denying the kind of exotic lavishness the Ambanis indulge in, from having Beyoncé perform at their weddings to getting the country's top-level Zed security. To complement this lifestyle, the Ambanis have an equally illustrious car collection. Here are some of the high-end whips the Ambanis like to step out in: Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead, Bentley Bentayga, BMW 760, Lee Armored Mercedes Maybach, Benz S660, Ferrari SF90, Stradale Bentley, Continental Flying Spur, Aston Martin Rapide, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and much more in stock. The estimated value of the garage of Asia's richest man is estimated to be upwards of $10 million. Dubai's most expensive house, Mukesh Ambani has been buying houses abroad and is leaning more and more toward the West for investment properties. In October 2022, news went viral that the second richest man in India expanding his Dubai real estate portfolio by purchasing a new beachfront mansion, breaking his previous record for the city's most expensive residential real estate deal. According to reports, Mukesh Ambani bought the most expensive house in Dubai for a whopping $163 million. It is located at the Palm Jumeirah, Dubai. The 2-story mansion also boasts a professional indoor salon, a fully equipped bar, and 7 spa facilities. One would rarely need to leave the house for hangouts due to the exquisite state-of-the-art amenities. Mumbai Indians. Founded in 2008, the Mumbai Indians quickly rose from the ranks to become one of the most celebrated teams in the Indian Premier League. Owned by India's wealthiest conglomerate, Reliance Industries, under the leadership of Mukesh Ambani, this team not only represents the vibrant city of Mumbai, but also embodies the dreams of millions of cricket enthusiasts. Mukesh Ambani's foray into sports with the Mumbai Indians IPL cricket team added another feather to his cap. As the most successful IPL team, Mumbai Indians' journey, from its inception to becoming a cricketing powerhouse, mirrors Mukesh's belief in the power of sports, of uniting and inspiring a nation. The team's revenue and brand value, amounting to millions, highlight the commercial success of Mukesh's sports ventures. Mumbai Indian is one of the popular teams in IPL and among the richest teams in the world, owned by Indian tycoon Mukesh Ambani. It was founded in 2008 when IPL started and has won 5 IPL titles. Mukesh Ambani had bought the team for a whopping $111.9 million, and according to Forbes, the Mumbai-based franchise has a value of $1.3 billion. The Mumbai Indians face stiff competition from teams like the Chennai Super Kings and the Kolkata Knight Riders. Each encounter a riveting display of cricket at its best. Yet it's this very challenge that fuels the Mumbai Indians, pushing them to new heights of greatness. The Forbes Journey. We journey through Ambani's remarkable ascent in the Forbes rankings, a testament to his enduring vision and indomitable spirit. Mukesh Ambani's foray into the Forbes list began in the early 2000s, marking the start of an extraordinary financial saga. By 2004, Ambani made his debut on the Forbes Billionaires list, a recognition of Reliance Industries' burgeoning influence in petrochemicals, refining, and later, telecommunications. A pivotal moment came in 2016 with the launch of Reliance Jio, Ambani's ambitious telecom venture that revolutionized digital connectivity in India. This move not only democratized internet access but also significantly boosted Ambani's standings in the Forbes list. Year after year, Ambani's wealth grew in leaps and bounds. Notable milestones include 2010, when he was listed as the 4th richest person in the world, and again in 2020, when Forbes named him the richest man in Asia and the 5th richest globally, with a net worth peaking at over $75 billion. Mukesh Ambani's journey in the Forbes rankings is more than a tale of numbers. It's a narrative of ambition, innovation, and an unwavering belief in the potential of India on the global stage. As Ambani continues to scale new heights, his story remains a beacon of inspiration for entrepreneurs worldwide. Family and philanthropy. Behind the scenes of this empire building is a story of family bonds, struggles, and reconciliation. Mukesh's relationship with his brother Anil Ambani, their public feud, and eventual settlement, draw a picture of a man who values family above all. Furthermore, Mukesh Ambani's philanthropic efforts, be it through Reliance Foundation or contributions to disaster relief and education, showcase his commitment to giving back to society. The legacy continues. Mukesh Ambani's life teaches us that with vision, hard work, and a bit of courage, there are no limits to what we can achieve. So as we look forward to the future, let us carry forward the spirit of innovation and the belief that, in the end, it is our dreams that shape the world.